In this guide, I'll show you how to reset your Philips TV back to its factory settings. Now, this can be useful if you're selling your television or you're experiencing some kind of issue with your TV and you're just trying to troubleshoot that issue. Then resetting the television back to its factory defaults can often be a good idea. So in order to do this, we first need to grab our television remote control, head over to the home button located in the middle here. Then using the up arrow, come over to settings, scroll down and then head all the way over to the right and come over to all settings. Scroll down inside of general settings and then use the right arrow key to come across and then scroll down to factory settings. Now we have two different types of resets that we can perform on our television. You either have a factory reset or a reinstall TV. Now a factory reset is basically a soft kind of reset, and this will go ahead and reset all of your picture and sound settings, but all of your channels and your applications and things like that won't be affected. So I'd always recommend starting off with a factory reset, and to do this just press OK on your TV remote and then come across and select OK. Now if you did want to perform a full hard reset of your television, then we can come down to reinstall TV at the bottom here and once again press OK. And this is going to go ahead and reset all of your settings and applications and network passwords and things like that. So your television will be like what it was when you first purchased it out of the box, which can sometimes be handy, especially if you're selling your TV. So just go ahead and press yes here and that will perform the hard reset. So it's as simple as that, guys. That's how you reset your Philips TV back to its factory settings. If you did find this video helpful, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing.